Toroke. Twende. Wakili. Oya.
Wakili. Ogolla.
Wakili.
Wewe wakili, kuja twende hivi. Wewe wakili.
Wakili.
Wewe wakili bwana, kuja.
Wakili, twende hivi.
Kuja twende hivi. Let's go this way. Oya, kuja twende mzee.
Let's go. No, but you go.
Acha umalaya.
It's okay. Come. Ni nini wewe?
Let's go. Please. Let's have it peacefully, officer.
No. Tumemalizana nao. Wachana nao. Boss.
Guys,
Wachana na yeye. Ni nini una deal na mlevi?
Let's go. You can see this is what we have been seeing inside the police station. It is so brutal. The beatings are crazy. No one wants to care. So what I'm trying to tell you, if you see how the police is harassing you, beating things, throwing tear gas, we are going home. It's peaceful. This is the kind of police we have. They say they are a police service, they are a police force. So let me continue with what I was telling you. Even if they tell us that mandamanos are over, the reasons why we went today are still not over. There are 13 reasons why Ruto must go home, and he must go home quickly. We said that he reduced advisors by 50%. He has increased advisors by 200%. Bringing back Moses Kuria, all of the SAC Minister Aisha Jumwa to the government through the back door with substantive ministerial positions is unconstitutional. And we remain fighting, and today is Katiba Day. We are reminding Kenyans that we cannot give up on this matter. It's unconstitutional to bring a sacked minister like Moses Kuria to the back.
Simama kwa nini? Whistle. We are Kenyans. Whistle imelia. Simama. Oya. Simama. Whistle. Flag.
Yeah, so we are continuing by saying that the reasons why Ruto must go remain, the cabinet has been reappointed back. Broad-based government was not the solution that Kenyans was looking for. And therefore, the fight and the march continues. And I want to say the following, that the economy is growing at 4.2%. Youth are 60% unemployed. The employment rate is growing at 22%. At that rate, somewhere people will never be employed. Imagine some people will reach the age of retirement having not worked. In Luo we say, Nibro T Kapopitiyu. How can you retire, reach the age of retirement without a payslip? No one will see a payslip in this country. So I'm telling young people, wake up, fight this government, because you'll never get employed in this government and see a payslip if Ruto is the president. Ruto must go home because the problem is economic. The problem is not political. Broad-based government is not a solution to an economic problem. Tribal kingpinship and tribal alliances is not a solution to this economic problem. And therefore, Ruto must go simply means that we want a country where we can earn a living, where we can live in peace, where we can retire, where we can holiday, and we can have a good life. And even if they threaten people, we are going to collect the signatures again. Find a way on which we can rule Ruto through a constitutional means. And we are not giving up at all. It's going to be by blood and sweat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Wakili.
Now, Wakili, as you walk, earlier I had asked to some of your colleagues about the constitution that was the authors of the constitution. 14 years down the line.